I've made this link tree so it's easier for you guys to get into contact with me. If you want to find out more about the course, it's over on my Buy Me a Beer. If you want to simply get into contact with me, it's over on my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram. Welcome back to Louis Crypto, where we talk about cryptos every single weekday. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin today on the weekly time frame, of course, at first, discussing about this key resistance, the 26,400 resistance at this EMA over here. So look at that exact touch. If we were using the 50 EMA, we can see that it's right over there, but this one's a little bit different. If you want to learn about it, then yeah, just message me over on my Twitter. All we need to do is actually hold this level that was once lost with that red weekly candle. Now it's closed as a bullish hammer or a spinning top after reclaiming and holding 21.4k. So going forward, and in the last few updates, I was saying, okay, 21.5 to 22, to 22k here. This is the area that we just need to hold above, which we are. Again, we printed a weekly candle that had lost all these key levels of support. We were dying for price to reclaim this head and shoulders neckline, in which it did, and I've posted that all over my Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've also made a link tree to make it easier so you guys can follow my crypto Instagram, my crypto Twitter, and to get into contact me through those over there. If you want to find out more about the course and the mentorship, there is more info on my Buy Me a Beer link. It's all on my link tree, which is in the top right corner or down underneath this video in the description or comment section. Now, all that Bitcoin needs to do to head to 30,000 plus is close a weekly candle above this 26,400 moving average. Until then, we're trapped between this as resistance and this as support, and you can see as the weeks will go by, this will drag up higher and higher and higher, this 20 purple moving average over here. So I'm going to scale down to the daily time frame now, and over the last few updates, yes, we were saying that I am now, after this wick over here, expecting price to come down, but it looks like with today's pump on the lower time frames over here, I need to go to the 15-minute quickly. So in the chat, a lot of people were discussing this head and shoulders pattern. So one thing we need to realize is that if this is in an uptrend, that these patterns could just be fake outs or just trying to manipulate you into selling, and then we continue up. So here we had the breakdown. We retested it as resistance. For the continuation, we got no continuation. It looks like we're going to go and today I think we've just now liquidated that Sato guy who was doing loads of $1 million positions. So he got liquidated a few days ago, and now he's just got liquidated today in the last 15 minutes or so. Poor him. He's the Korean streamer. But this is the sort of thing that happens in bull markets, where we have these bearish patterns that either work in the short term, like breaking out, but then invalidating the trade. So they either work in the short term or not at all. So this was a bearish pattern that we see on the chart here on the 15-minute time frame, head and shoulders pattern, and it failed. It doesn't mean that it's 100% not going to continue. Again, we're still below this right shoulder. You can still come down, lose the neckline again, and you revalidate the pattern, but at the moment it's invalid. And so what we're now trying to do is form this double bottom on the 15-minute, break above 25,160 with 15-minute candle closes above this, not going back under. Going back under is invalidation of the buy trade. Okay, so we need to stay above this, and then we've got a price target of the previous highs, about 26.5k. But now let's go over to the daily now. Let's go over to the daily. So yes, we were saying we can come down. We had that head and shoulders that was actually signaling to come down to these levels exactly. But again, all we need to do is break above that wick, 26,500, wait for a daily candle close above that, and we will continue to our 30k targets. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you want me to teach you one-to-one, I've got a mentorship plan that's 10 hours of one-to-one help. You get my 6-hour long course, video course pre-recorded included, as well as the 10 one-to-one 1 hour long sessions. You also get my Discord group chat. This is where I put my personal longer term investments, and everyone's in there helping each other out daily. So if you sorry about that. So if you want to join, you know what to do. Hit up my link trees where you can find my Instagram or my Twitter, and you can private message me there. Thank you guys. There's a link tree in the comment section or the description down below, or even in the top right corner. You can just click it over here somewhere, and yeah, it can take you to my crypto Twitter, Instagram, where you can private message me. If you want to actually just take action on the course or the mentorship without talking to me, head over to my Buy Me a Beer. Now, I'll bring up a page looking like this. You can even get one single mentorship session anyway, but all the details that you need here, you get 10 sessions, and here you get 30 plus videos, 6-hour course, and yeah, all the information you need is over here.